In this session we're looking at how to register IQ POS. If you've got your shortcut already, you've done the installation, you double click on the shortcut and a screen will come up to say please register. You click on OK. Now you've got to fill in your company detail. I'm going to fill in my detail here, making sure that what you enter here is exactly correct. Your company prefix could just be a prefix, could be initial, it could be, you could for instance use a company prefix, that's fine. You enter your postal address, you specify your continent, your country, you specify your province, your town, and the postal code. Then you've got to specify the owner of the company, the contact person, the telephone number, a cell phone number if you've got one. And then you can proceed, once you've filled in all of this, to the next tab. You can click next or you can click on address details. Here you type in the information of your email address details. You can type in your resellers details and any additional emails that you would like to add or that you think must receive the registration. Then you can say next. Then you've got to tell us what is the system that you would like to register. In our case, we will say IQ POS. We'll bring up the version. If you want the AMS airtime module extra, you can select it, or if you want the report writer, you can also select that extra. Now, if you want a demo, you can request a trial extension. That will give you 30 days free. Then you've got to specify how many licenses is required. Remember, that will be the server plus your workstation. So if I've got one server and 3 workstations, I'm going to require 4. Then you've got to enter your reseller detail. All you enter here is you type in the name, and if you've got an account number, you can enter that. So make sure you give us as much detail here as you possibly can. If you've got internet access, you can now save and email us this little file. Or you can go to Advance and you can save and export that regtext.txt or reg.txt file and then attach it to an email. In my case, I am going to just say save an email. Please read your end user license agreement, accept the agreement, say accept. Tell us how you would like to email it. I'm going to use my normal third-party email and I'll say accept, and it will now be sent to my email programs outbox, whereby I can then just open that and send the email. We will then receive the email, IQ will receive the email, we will register the file for you and email it back to you. Once you receive that email, you have to save that attachment. I will explain how to import that attachment in another session.